Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut and trim video clips in DaVinci Resolve. So I'll also end up teaching you a bunch of shortcuts. So the first thing is to trim on the ends. So you go to the end of the clip and you see that little icon and you just drag the end or the beginning of the clip to wherever you want it to be. Now if we actually want to cut pieces maybe in the middle of the clip, what you want to do is go to this blade tool, or you can just press B and you'll see the icon change. And then you just click wherever you want to cut. Now, let's say you accidentally cut the wrong spot. All you need to do is press Ctrl plus Z. Otherwise, you can just go to the top and click Edit and Undo. Now, if you want to change back to your pointer, just press A and then B, obviously, to change back to your blade tool. Now you can also cut with Control B, but I pretty much just like to change to my blade and then just click and cut. And that's it. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.